To install the resonator, the battery must first be removed. Insert the resonator through the starboard side storage compartment hole. Move it towards the bow far enough to install the outlet hose. Install and tighten the resonator outlet hose. For visibility, we are showing this outside of the vessel. Install the opposite end of the outlet hose onto the outlet port. Tighten the clamp. Align and install the retaining bolt at the front of the resonator. Finally, reattach the inlet hose from the muffler. Tighten the clamp.